Good morning students and welcome back to Alchemy online classes. Student, in our previous class we have learned about soil conservation, and the easiest way to conserve soil is to plant more and more trees and to save our forest. So today we are going to learn about India's forest wealth. Forest wealth. A wide variety of forests cover the earth. They are important as they give us oxygen to breathe. They provide food for living beings. They also provide us many useful things such as wood, rubber, medicines, and so on. On the basis of climate and vegetation, types of forest, India can be divided into these categories. The first kind of forest are evergreen forest. Name of trees which are growing in evergreen forest are rosewood, ebony and mahogany. This kind of forest found in Kerala and Karnataka. It is found in the Western Ghats, Northeast India and Andaman Nicobar Island. This kind of forest remain green throughout the year, and different type of tree shades leaves are there in this kind of forest. The second is deciduous forest. The name of trees which are growing in this kind of forest is sal, teak and sandalwood. Bamboo is also growing in this kind of forest. It's found in the southern plateaus, states like Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, etc., and the outer Himalayas. The features of this kind of forest is shed their leaves once in a year. But not all the leaves are shed together. One by one, every tree is leaving its leaves, and this is why this forest also remain green throughout the year. Third kind of forest is coniferous forest. In this kind of forest, trees are growing like spruce, fir, pine, and this kind of forests are found in the middle Himalayan ranges and the Nilgiri range. The features of coniferous forest is the cone bring tall trees with pointed leaves. So we'll learn all three types of forest with the help of animation.
Evergreen forests. In India, the evergreen forests are mainly found on the western slopes of the Western Ghats in Kerala and Karnataka. Evergreen forests are dense, multi-layered, and the leaves remain lush green throughout the year. The trees found here are mostly softwood conifers or tall hardwoods with broad leaves to release large quantities of water through transpiration. Rubber, rosewood, mahogany, and bamboo are some of the evergreen trees. Deciduous forests are found on the eastern slopes of the Western Ghats and in states such as Jharkhand, West Odisha, and Chhattisgarh. Deciduous trees lose their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks each year. Every type of tree has a different time to shed its leaves during the year. Therefore, the forest does not appear leafless at any point in time throughout the year. As the seasons change, the color of the leaves changes too. Teak, oak, bamboo, sal, shisham, sandalwood, kher, mulberry are some of the deciduous forest trees. Coniferous forests. Coniferous forests are mainly located at high altitudes of the Himalayan mountains in India. They usually spread along the slopes of mountains. These forests are covered with tall, cone-shaped trees with needle-like leaves. The trees here can withstand the chilly climate and heavy rains. Trees like pine, fir, oak, maple, deodar and cedar grow on high slopes.
The next type of forest is mangrove forest. Mangrove forest found in the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin. It is famous for Sundari trees as it is found in Ganga-Brahmaputra delta. The feature of mangrove forest are they are having special roots which are growing above the ground, not under the ground. The roots of mangrove forest are growing upside of the ground. Last and final forest is thorn forest. Kikar, babol, shrub are thorny forests, and this kind of forests are found in Rajasthan and nearby states of Rajasthan like Haryana and Gujarat. The features of thorn forest are they are having long roots, thick bark, sharp thorns and small leaves. And this kind of forest does not require much amount of water. They can survive in lesser water or they can survive without water for a long time. Now come to our course book session, Wildlife in India. India is the home to a variety of animals and birds. One-horned rhinoceros, Nilgiri tara, Royal Bengal tiger, Asiatic lion, black buck, snow leopard, lion-tailed, macaque, chinkara, Asian elephant, Indian flying fox live in their natural habitats. Wildlife conservation. To protect wildlife from urbanization, habitat loss, poaching or overgrazing, many national parks and wildlife reserves has been established. Till August 2015, the Government of India established 103 national parks and 531 wildlife reserves. Some names of a national park and where they are situated, the list is given in textbook. Like first, Jim Corbett National Park. It is situated in Uttarakhand. Kanha Tiger Reserve, that is situated in Madhya Pradesh. Ranthambore National Park, it is situated in Rajasthan. Gir National Park, it is situated in Gujarat. Pariyar National Park, it is situated in Kerala. Bindipur National Park, it is situated in Karnataka. Manas National Park, it is in Assam. Jim Corbett National Park and Kanha National Park. These both national parks are famous tiger wildlife reserves. They are protecting tigers from hunting and poaching activities. Now come to I Get to Know session. Jadav Molay Benga is also known as the forest man of India. He began planting trees on the Brahmaputra river side in Assam from a young age. Soon the area turned into a large forest of 1,360 acres. The forest named Molay Forest after him. Today the forest is home of Royal Bengal tiger, rhinoceros, rabbits, apes, deer, birds and many more animals. So today we learn about India's forest wealth and India's wildlife. In our next class, we'll discuss more on it.